Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest gadgets and gizmos to give you the inside scoop. Today, we're taking a look at the Lenovo Legion Go, a handheld gaming PC that's turning heads with its unique features. Let's jump right in. First off, let's talk design. The Legion Go is a bulky beast, but for good reason. Its 8.8-inch display is one of the largest we've seen on a handheld gaming device, and those detachable controllers give it a Nintendo Switch-like versatility. However, its size might not be everyone's cup of tea, especially if you're used to something more compact. In terms of ports, Lenovo doesn't disappoint. With two USB Type-C ports, a headphone jack, and a micro SD card slot, you've got plenty of connectivity options. And those detachable controllers? They're a game-changer, offering an Xbox-style layout with extra programmable buttons for added versatility. Now, let's talk about that display. At 2560 by 1600 resolution and 144 Hz refresh rate, it's a sight to behold. Colors pop and the screen is bright and vibrant, making for an immersive gaming experience. However, running games at that high resolution might not be practical for all titles, so you'll want to adjust accordingly. Speaking of gaming, how does the Legion Go perform? Powered by the AMD Z1 Extreme processor and Radeon graphics, it holds its own against the competition. Whether you're playing intense AAA titles or casual indie games, the Legion Go delivers smooth gameplay with solid frame rates. Just be mindful of your settings to optimize performance. Now, let's talk software. Running on Windows 11, the Legion Go offers a familiar gaming experience with access to a wide range of titles. However, navigating Windows on a handheld device can be a bit tricky, especially with the touchscreen controls. Lenovo's Legion Space software helps bridge the gap, offering quick access to settings in your game library. Battery life on the Legion Go is decent, lasting around 4 hours on a single charge with moderate use. And while the built-in speakers get the job done, you'll probably want to use headphones for a more immersive audio experience. Finally, let's talk about upgradability and heat management. While the Legion Go isn't the most user-friendly when it comes to upgrades, it's relatively easy to access the SSD for storage expansion. And thanks to its separate controllers, heat management is solid, keeping your hands cool during extended gaming sessions. So, is the Lenovo Legion Go worth it? With its large display, detachable controllers, and solid performance, it's a contender in the handheld gaming market. However, its bulky design and Windows 11 quirks might not be for everyone. Ultimately, it comes down to your personal preferences and gaming needs. That's all for today's review. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product critiques. Until next time, happy gaming!